What's your favorite color, Tim? Blue? You need to stop smoking them cigarettes there, Tim.
I don't know anything about it.
That is affecting your voice. You should try some of them cigars. They're a little more gentlemanly.
I don't know anything. Oh, you ain't not Ohio.
Ohio. You're like a jazz singer, sir.
I play the drums.
You play the drums or the tums?
The drums.
The tums is a type of medicine, isn't it, sir, that helps settle your stomach with heartburn. Tastes like lemons and cherries and different types of flavors. You got menthols?
What's going on YouTube?
Menthols are pretty extreme. They're bad for you?
Well, yeah, I got my own idea.
Why don't you prepare your hammer there, Tim?
Well, I got me a hammer.
Yes, you do. Fair piece of metal's being a little stubborn at the moment. Give me a second.
Hey, Tim with hammer.
Grace, give me a second.
So Tim, if you were to eat with a dead president, who would you eat with?
Well, I don't put everything to a lot, man.
Do it.
This is kind of retarded.
I knew it. Fantastic. All right, sir, prepare yourself. All right, go ahead and hit it flat against the body. You gotta hit the tip there, Tim. You gotta hit it, Tim. The tip, Tim.
I go that way like
You are out of control, Tim.
I'm not out of control. You ain't gonna go right there.
Tim, you're scaring me. All righty, we're gonna have to warm that up just another second. You're doing a fine job there, Tim.